guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to this crazy world called Araceli Chan channel. In this channel, you are gonna see a plethora of stuff. I do everything from DIYs, home organization, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, family stuff, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which I hope it's more often than not these days. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY Dollar Tree patio and backyard decor. And keyword Dollar Tree, because I have a lot of DIY Dollar Tree stuff and a lot of people ask me where I got the stuff from. So whenever I have DIY Dollar Tree, everything's from Dollar Tree. But most importantly, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with Lynn from the channel Purposeful Joy. So she actually just recently started her YouTube channel, and because I know what it's like to be starting and not knowing what the heck is going on, if it wouldn't have been for another YouTube reaching out to me to see if I would do a collab, I really don't know where my channel would be right now, so I don't see anything wrong with helping others out. So I want to invite you guys to check out her channel. Again, she's just started, but she has all kinds of videos already. She has cleaning, organizing, DIYs, etc., etc. And I wouldn't be promoting a channel that I don't believe in, and she's been nothing but sweet to me, and she's been super supportive of mine, so I want to return the favor. So I'm also going to be linking her video and her channel down below, so make sure you check it out. So I won't make this intro too much longer. Let's get to it. I didn't think I was gonna swing all the way around like that. And again, everything is from Dollar Tree. I purchased 4 of these solar lights, 4 of these lanterns. So what I'm gonna do is remove that. So that, and then I also have these plant hangers. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that, the tea light holder from inside. And you know, it's actually gonna ruin the top part of the lid, so gotta figure out a way to do it where it won't ruin it, but I don't think it'll really matter because the light is gonna go right over it. So you know what, you guys, DIYs aren't always perfect or pretty. Anytime I feel like I have an idea of something, something always goes wrong. But whatever's out there and you want to try to do this, I'm sure you can find a way to like perfect it. And then once I put the lid back on there, I can glue the light right on top. So I'm just gonna take my hot glue. And it doesn't have to be like a whole lot. It's just enough to hold it down because it's gonna be standing up anyways. It's not gonna be like laying down in any way, so it's not gonna fall out. And that is basically it on this one. And so what I'm gonna do is take these plant hangers, I'm gonna go outside, and I have a garden box outside, so I'm gonna hang these right on there. Next one's going to be super easy also. So I purchased 2 of these pots and 2 of these fancy heat wick. I also purchased some rocks. So I have some white rocks, these black smooth rocks. Well, I have some sand looking stuff outside, so I'm going to go outside and fill this, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to take the canister with a tiki torch, and then I'm just going to go ahead and like press that down. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put more sand around. Now, the only thing with these is that they only last 2 hours. And then after that, I'm gonna take some of my rocks and just put it over. Alright, so here is the last one. So I had 4 DIYs in mind originally, but the baby's crying, the dogs are barking, and I don't think I'm going to get it done. So I got these 2 vases, 2 more solar lights, and then I got 2 of these metal hanging plant brackets, and then also some of this nautical ropes. Alright, so these are going to be lanterns if you hadn't gotten the hang of it yet. Alright, so I'm going to cut about that much. So I'm going to want to cut 2 of those. And the reason I got these in specific were because of the little design on them. I liked how they look. It looks also because the solar lights fit right in there. I don't have to glue them or anything, and then at any time I can just take it right out. I'm going to use a good amount of hot glue. And these vases have creases on the side. You can see the lines. That's how I'm doing it. I'm putting it right on those lines. Now I'm going to take the rest of my rope and just wrap it all around. Alright, that's as far as I'm going to get. Cut it. It's all done. Tab. Anyways, that's it for the DIYs. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the decor and enjoyed whatever else went on during the video. And again, this is in collaboration with Lynn with Purposeful Joy, so make sure to go check her channel right after you're done here. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!